Hey everybody, how's it going? This is J-Hee, and today I'm going to quickly show you how I fixed the OpenToonz cannot find the 32.dll errors. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to find the OpenToonz folder. I installed it on my E drive and scroll down to find the OpenToonz folder. Scroll down, OpenToonz folder, and scroll down to find glut32 and click right mouse button, select copy, and you also can press Ctrl C to copy. To go to the C drive to find the Windows folder and scroll down to find the SYSWOW64. Double click into the folder and press Ctrl V to paste the glut32.dll file, and then reboot your computer. That should fix your problem. Okay, that's all, and thanks so much for taking time to watch my video. If you like 2D animation, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.